Okay, now here's the most important feature of Contractor Pro, job scheduling. Let's walk you through how to create a new appointment. New appointments can be added on calendar screen or by clicking the Add Appointment button. If you create an appointment on calendar screen, the date, time of the appointment can be auto-populated based on where you click on the calendar. The date time can be updated, of course, to your needs. If the appointment is going to take a whole day, you can click the All Day checkbox. Here, I would like to reiterate the design of Contractor Pro. There are a lot of other features offered. You can choose to use as little as you need or as much as you want. First, let me show you how to create an appointment with minimal information. We already have the date and time. Now let's enter the customer information. If this is an existing customer, you can find them in the drop-down. Their phone number and address on file will be displayed here. Submit and you're done. Nice and easy. Now let's create another appointment where I will walk you through every field on the page to show you the full features. Let's create an appointment. You can optionally set a reminder here for the appointment. The reminder will show up in the reminder pop-up when the time comes. If this is a new customer, switch to new customer mode. Here you can enter basic information about the customer. Only first name, last name, phone number, and address to line 1 are required. The rest are optional, but of course, more information can help you reach customers better later. You can provide a detailed job description and project description field. Let's say window replacement, 1 window in the living room, 2 windows in master bedroom need to be replaced. Pricing term is intended to keep track of different pricing options for the customer. Let's say $1,000 includes material and labor. If the customer buys their own windows, the labor fee is $500. Estimated quote is the estimated price to the customer, $1,000 in this case. If you need a helper to do this job, you can always add associate here. The associate list in the dropdown is maintained on the associate management page. Please refer to associate management video on how to enter associate information. You can optionally enter the compensation information to the associate here as well. If an associate has a conflict during this time, they are marked as unavailable in the dropdown. Click Save and the associate shows up in the table. You can edit and delete from the table. If you need to add another associate, click Add button again. There's a separate reminder for materials. Usually materials need to be prepared ahead of time, so you can set a much earlier reminder. When the time comes, the material reminder shows up in reminder pop-up too. Now you can enter materials needed for this job. Click Add Material. The material is listed. The material list is maintained on material management page. Please refer to material management video on how to enter material information. Select the material. Enter quantity. Click Save. If you have entered price information on material management, the rough estimate of material costs will be displayed here. Later, after you have bought the materials, you can come back here to check Ready checkbox to indicate the material is ready. You can delete material. Click submit to save the appointment. I would like to note our app does not check conflicts for you and your associate. If there's a conflict, you will see a note on top of the page. The submit button changes to submit with resources conflict. If you do not mind the conflict, go ahead and save the appointment. Congratulations, you have learned how to create appointment in Contractor Pro. Now you can proceed to appointment detail video to see how appointments are managed after creation.